My name is Hussam Malik. I'm a consulting partner out of the Mississauga office. I'm head of operations for the performance improvement practice. Performance improvement practice pretty much works with local family-owned businesses. We look at improving their profitability, look at how they can be more structured for scalability. We work with them to ensure that there's proper process, systems, and behaviors in the organization for them to have sustainable growth.
I'm Marika Zigon, the CFO of Frendel Kitchens Limited. Frendel is a kitchen manufacturing company, one of the largest in Ontario. We've been around since 1968, so we have a very long history. We specialize in European-style kitchen cabinetry and also vanities. We were introduced to MNP Performance Improvement Division through our trusted advisors at MNP. Tony, the founder of Frendel, was embarking on succession planning. He wanted to ensure that we had operational efficiency and that we were well positioned for the future.
Well, Frendel was already doing a great job at what they were doing. They were profitable. They're one of the best in the market. The way Tony looked at it was, if you're doing well, you can always do better. And so we were able to come in and take a look at, their process, their systems, how they're working. And Tony was really interested in understanding how the organization can improve. So once we took a look at process, systems, behaviors, the organizational structure, we were able to then really identify the key areas that we can improve Frendel, which was more on decentralizing the decision making, more on having a little bit more efficiency in the processes that they had, more on changing and tweaking some of the behaviors on how management operated the business. And that allowed that goodwill to get transferred from the ownership to the business and get the business to that next level of increased enterprise value.
MNP identified all of the backlogs that were created in the shop. They were able to create a more balanced flow for our production. What I liked about Hussam's approach was that he said it was a twofold process. One was operational and one was behavioral.
So initially there was a little bit of skepticism, and our team worked hand in hand with the organization, with the management team, with the employees, to really talk about what potential benefits could be if we were to start looking at certain changes in the departments that we were looking at. And so once a change was very successful, it was a celebration that took place from both sides to look at it as a great win versus, changing the way that they were doing something.
I had a really great experience with MNP. They were not your typical consultants. They worked alongside with us as opposed to telling us what to do, and that was very refreshing. As a result of our engagement with MNP, we have labor cost savings that have a compounding effect. We have more data that allows us to make informed decisions, and we have a very cohesive management team now.